Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's have fun doing it. This is the gel sticks I'm using. This is from uh, King's Art. This is a mixed media gel sticks, and these are the colors. These are nice and bright. Um, so I'm going to use these and show you in this project. I like this gel sticks. They are very nice. They are water soluble, but I'm not going to be using water. But I'm going to just use the gel sticks as it is. So let's have fun using those colors. So I'm just going to scribble like this. It is nice and bright. So I'm going to just start scribbling it. I'm like kind of thinking how to start. So I just started it. Now I'm going to add other color in that. Sometimes it is starting the project is like it's tough to think about it and see like where you want to start and how you want to start. So now I already scribbled it. Now I'm going to use some stamp on that. This is stem hole stamp. So I'm just using archival ink. Now I'm going to I'm not going to use too much stamps in this project too. And then I'm going to use this little bit of text stamp in this. Then I'm going to stamp this I don't know what it is called as. It is like a kind of like a splash stamp. So I'm going to I added those in this. And I'm going to dry now. Now I'm going to use this stamp. This is like a grungy stamp. I'm using this circle grungy stamp. Now I'm going to use this splatter stamp. Now I'm going to add this small piece of gold. It's kind of like a thin gold strip, and then these are like the leftover dies. Like these are like a twigs kind of a die, and these were some leftover ones. So I'm adding all those in this to give some extra texture in the background. These are optional, but I just thought something would be nice in the background. Now I have this die, so I'm going to cut this small and add also in this as well. You can add like a molding paste and things like that in the background. But I had this dye, so I thought it'll give some other kind of a texture. So now I'm going to use this pen and scribble a little bit. Or do some doodling. Now I'm going to add this focal point and see uh, where I want to place it. Then I'm adding this in the background, and I changed my mind of keeping the focal point, and this is a different one. So now I'm adding this on the side. I like this very much. So I hope you guys like it too. Um, I'm just going to scribble a little bit. So I'm finishing this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.